स्टार्टिंग में शी सेज कि आप ना एक फेशियल होता है, इसके अंदर ना हम वाइटनिंग ड्रॉप्स डालते हैं, तो आप ये करवा लें.
The most generic prescription to every Desi woman that goes to a beauty clinic. Mom bod is an actual concept.
Exactly.
Because you go through physical body changes.
And dad bod is just laziness. Basically, it's just laziness.
I love how men get so many points for just being pure lazy.
When the British people came here, they started hiring people जो जरा लाइटर स्किन थे, एंड उससे हमारा जो कॉम्प्लेक्स था ना वो और लाइक 10-fold हो गया.
अगर आप नॉर्मली भी अपने पास अपना फोन यूज कर रहे हैं एंड आप अपने आप को एक फिल्टर में देखते हैं, फिल्टर लगाई, पिक्चर ली, and then the next time whenever you would open your camera and उसमें filter नहीं होगा, you'd be like, oh my god, I'm so ugly. I have to commission something. I feel brown people made dewy skin happen. यहाँ पे इतनी गर्मी होती है, पसीना dude, पसीना is the ultimate, you know, highlighter.
Hi guys, I'm Ayesha.
And I'm Marium.
And this is The Last Brain Cell.
Woo!
Ooh.
New set upgrade.
Yeah.
How are you
upgrade.
liking it?
I love it.
I love it too. It's very cozy.
Tooting our own horn as always. I want to share an experience with you guys.
Something must have happened because Ayesha just does not start like that in life.
That is true. So I went to a beauty clinic recently because I was not feeling myself. तो मैंने कहा कि जरा थोड़ी pampering करते हैं, जाके कोई facial कराते हैं. Now mind you, I don't usually get these things, so I have like zero clue and zero idea what to expect. But फिर भी I expected something else. So what happened was that I went to this random doctor and they said कि आपको ना इस डॉक्टर के साथ free beauty consultation देते हैं, तो would you like to take it? I was like, ले लेते हैं, देखते हैं क्या कहती हैं. So I went to the lady. I don't know if she was a doctor, by the way. Like, she was wearing a lab coat, but she looked pretty young. And
but didn't you check?
How do I check?
But weren't you at the clinic?
Yeah, but like they took me to another lady, so.
Oh my god. And okay, this is gonna be something, I feel.
So she said कि आपका issue क्या है?
बहुत issues है life.
I was like, आपका क्या issue? आपकी मेरे से पूछ रही हैं. Anyway, I said, I don't know, like you tell me, आप recommend करें. I feel like, you know, my skin is looking dull and whatever, so I want to get something. Starting में she says कि आप ना वो ये एक फेशियल होता है, इसके अंदर ना हम वाइटनिंग ड्रॉप्स डालते हैं, तो आप ये करवा लें. And I was
the most generic prescription to every Desi woman that goes to a beauty clinic.
Yeah, but I was like legit surprised because I thought कि पिछले 2-3 सालों में हमने इतना body positivity and like de-influencing the white culture कर लिया कि I thought कि people do not at least outright say it. And especially when you go to like some derma or like aesthetic clinic, like जाते साथ ही वो आपको कहते हैं कि भाई रंग गोरा करा लो, तो मुझे काफ़ी ये ऑफ बात लगी. बट आई वांटेड टू सी वेयर इट गोज. जस्ट
I feel like that's the basic premise of every beauty clinic in Pakistan. Even if you go somewhere, for one thing, they would always, हमेशा, whether it's a salon, whether it's a beauty clinic, they will always tell you कि अच्छा ये तो हो गया, बट ये भी करवा लेती तो ज़रा ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता, ज़रा ज़्यादा मुंह खिला लगता. And I'm just like,
they always prey on your insecurities. Like,
yeah.
I get that. But फिर भी one would assume कि हम इतनी outright आप ऐसी बातें नहीं कर सकते. But apparently not everyone's getting the memo. And you know, like, how do you get any beauty treatments and stuff?
Yeah, I used to, but I've stopped because I just feel that it's a scam.
It's a scam. It is such a scam, 100%. मैं इतनी तंग आई हूँ. एक तो, like, if you guys know, all these beauty treatments, they're so expensive. They're so freaking expensive. And they always tell you that you have to get like 3 to 4 treatments for anything to happen. मतलब you spend like so much money, and उसके बाद जाके आप मतलब 3-4 दफ़ा करवाने के बाद you realize कि I still look like shit. I guess it wasn't my face, it was just...
Yeah, and in my case, I just feel whenever I get some treatment done, for example, अगर मैं facial करवाती हूँ, I think सबसे बड़ा scam तो facial है. Yes, if you take it seriously and you get like these other treatments done जो ज़रा high level के होते हैं, which are very very expensive also, but जो normal आपका normal beauty salon का जो facial होता है, that's the biggest scam. It never works. And बहुत दफ़ा ऐसा होता है कि आप जाके कराते हो, पता नहीं वो डीप क्लीनिंग हो रही है और पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा है. I don't know, so many steps to it. And then मेरे साथ तो बहुत दफ़ा ऐसा होता है that I end up getting a lot of breakouts.
Yeah, that happens.
Like my skin starts breaking out after I start getting a facial. So now I've just completely stopped and I've gone back to my like uptan and haldi at home and tomato on my face because I just feel these treatments, it's just a waste of money.
Yeah, but yeah, I think this happens with like derma treatments also. Yeah, like you're supposed to get breakouts because your skin is getting cleaned or whatever.
If I'm getting breakouts and my skin is not clean anymore, so it is a scam, guys.
Yeah, मुझे तो खैर ये जो ब्यूटी पार्लर वाले होते हैं ना, ये मुझे फिट लगता है. It feels like I can feel it कि they're putting like 10 layers of like really harmful chemicals on my skin. But you know what? It works.
It does.
I feel like they've peeled like 5 layers off my skin.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है स्पेशली जो ब्यूटी पार्लर्स के फेशियल्स होते हैं एंड आई एम श्योर सब इससे रिलेट कर सकते हैं. अब तो खैर थोड़ी बेहतर सैलॉन्स की एक्सेस हो गई है बट बचपन में नहीं, बट मे बी व्हेन यू वर लाइक 19-20 व्हेन यू गेट योर फर्स्ट फेशियल, जब वो साफ कर रहे होते हैं तो उनका वो जो स्पंज होता है, आई जस्ट गेट द वर्स्ट ick from it. It's so dirty and they're just like cleaning and you can smell के इससे इन्होंने ना 10 और लोगों के मुंह साफ किए हैं and I'm just like but like I think for me like एक तो facials don't work plus I just feel के जो चीजें वो use करते हैं उतनी गंदी होती हैं यार, मतलब पता नहीं किस किस के मुंह पे लग के वो आपके face पे आ रहा होता है and I think that's why breakouts happen after facials.
हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है. Like but if you go to like really high end, I think they've started taking some hygiene measures, but even then like you never know what's happening.
You never know. You never know. Okay, tell me what is that one beauty standard? तुम्हारी लाइफ का सबसे पहला क्या एक्सपीरियंस था where you were, you know, kind of pitted against a beauty standard? What was that first time in your life?
Yeah, I think I've been getting comments like bachpan se, which is pretty sad. Like,
but you are like, she's gorgeous, guys. Like, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Aisha is getting like...
No, I didn't mean it in that way.
I accept I'm beautiful.
I meant, you know, like, as a child, I remember knowing because of the comments of people कि मैं गोरी हूँ. So that a child should not know that. Like, and
but
why should I
Gora
feel
hona is the ultimate beauty standard in Pakistan and in South Asia in general.
Yeah, exactly ना, but नहीं होना चाहिए. But बचपन से ही वो कहीं ना कहीं से because of how people react to you or like the comments that they give, like मैं गोरी हूँ and it's a good thing.
Yeah, I
but
think,
like growing up तो you see कि you know lots of things are changing and like people accepting their skin complexion, but I think we have a long way to go.
यार we definitely have a long way to go because मुझे तो अभी भी लगता है कि आप कहीं पे भी जाते हैं and I think ये beauty standards they're not just, you know, in very beauty driven industries. I just feel even in corporate. Like you've heard, right, that if you are good looking, आपका chance of getting that interview, of getting that job 10 गुना ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So it actually happens and I just feel कि अभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है.
So what about you, Marium? Have you ever faced like unfair beauty standard thing? Of
Have
course.
you looked at me? Of course. Have you looked at me? I've faced like a gazillion, I've had a gazillion encounters with beauty standards. But I think my first one that I remember very, very vividly is when, so I used to be a very sporty gal. I used to play like volleyball, throw ball. I was in a lot of athletics. So I बहुत ज़्यादा time ना मेरा sunlight में गुजरता था. School के अंदर we had this big ground और बहुत ज़्यादा sports होते थे. So the first time I was told by my mother, and this was a very scarring experience, के because as a girl वो बोलते हैं ना कि आपकी skin dark हो जाएगी, and because I have like little freckles on my cheeks, so she was like कि because धूप के अंदर और ज़्यादा ये dark हो जाते हैं, so she was like नहीं freckles ज़्यादा नज़र आना शुरू हो जाएंगे, face पे धब्बे धब्बे लगेंगे. हालांकि even मेरी अम्मी,
freckles are so cute though.
They are cute, but they're cute in 2026. Now people are getting surgeries to get freckles, but back then when I was small, तब they were considered as dhabbas on your face. So धब्बा, शक्ल पे धब्बा. So and even though it was like a generational thing, मेरी नानी के भी थे freckles, मेरी अम्मी के भी थे, बड़ी बहन के भी थे, but फिर भी it was still a very tight beauty standard के रंग काला हो जाएगा, freckles ज़्यादा नुमाया हो जाएंगे.
That's so sad.
So it was really sad and heartbreaking for me because I loved sports, like that was my jam. But jokes on her because I did not stop playing and I won a lot of medals.
काफी sad बात है ना, like
yeah, but it is sad. Yeah,
if we were just taught to like accept and like love ourselves.
Yeah, and I just keep thinking that if there was a man or if there was a boy instead of my place, उसको तो सब बहुत बोलते हैं ना कि जा बेटा क्रिकेट खेल,
नहीं यार,
फुटबॉल
actually,
खेल.
I don't know if you've heard this, but literally मैंने हर एक तो बॉय मॉम की मुंह से सुना है कि हमारा बेटा तो बहुत गोरा होता था, ये तो जब से इसने स्पोर्ट्स खेलना शुरू किया है तब से रंग खराब
Glad to
हुआ है.
know that we're both
You
the
haven't
genders
heard this.
are.
I've heard this like everywhere.
Really?
Yeah, every mom thinks कि हमारा बेटा तो चांद सा था, ये जब से इसने
Oh
स्पोर्ट्स
my
खेलना
God.
शुरू किया
चांद
तब
पे
से
भी तो
ऐसे ही हो.
धब्बे हैं आंटी. But this gives me a great idea. Let's talk about guy beauty standards. Like I know, and we're girls and we wanted to talk about girls, but what are some of the guy beauty standards that you've heard of?
Yeah, this weird thing which is now being considered attractive all of a sudden in the West, at least. यहाँ पे तो normie होता है, are dad bods. Have you seen?
Dad bods.
Yeah, it's like suddenly
Yeah, I've
girls
heard of
have
dad
started
bods,
finding
but-
like dad bod. मैं क्या explain करूँ कि dad bod होता क्या है? But like kind of fat men, they've started finding them attractive, and I hate it. You know why? Because I don't hate the fact that those kind of bodies are being appreciated. I hate the fact that for women the standard is कि पता नहीं like impossible figure आपका एक होना चाहिए,
Yeah,
and like
yeah.
सारी जिंदगी we're taught to aspire to
Yeah.
you know reach that kind of fitness and whatever, and हम बचपन से ही शुरू हो जाते हैं अपने आप को खूबसूरत करना.
Yeah.
And आदमियों का beauty standard is just being lazy and just being fat.
And now they're being admired for it.
Yeah, and I want the same for
Wow,
women.
I
That's what I'm
want that
saying.
life, guys. Like,
Everyone should be एक like अगर dad bod होती है तो mom bod भी होनी चाहिए.
but define dad bod, because I just feel कि fat bod and dad bod in like a guy's world are two very different things.
Yeah, dad
what is a
bod
dad
is,
bod?
As men are getting older, like एक तो वही उनका like मटका पेट. Man, I'm gonna get
This
so
is
much
gonna get
hate.
cancelled.
I'm
This
gonna
is going to
get-
get cancelled.
अब it is what it is ना, like ये तो अब genetically यही होता है, आदमियों का वो pot belly निकलनी होती है.
Yeah.
So they're like आदमियों ने तो कह दिया कि भाई ये तो fashion statement होती है, या ये तो अब it's like the in.
But I kind of like that for men, because see, beauty standards, चाहे लड़के हो या लड़कियां हो, I think beauty standards दोनों को ही hurt करते हैं. So I'm just happy that at least theirs are now cool.
No, I'm
But
not
I'm just
happy.
waiting कि हमारे वाले कब cool होंगे, कि हम भी like we put on a little weight, you know,
But-
some parts of our lives when you have a kid or you have a child, or you know, after you get married, a lot of women put on weight because you know they're eating and they're happier and they're in a good zone.
Yeah.
So I'm just waiting कि हमारे beauty standards कब cool down होंगे.
Yeah, same. Because you know, like what's sad is के dad bod is a thing, but mom bod, mom who actually goes through carrying a child and
Yeah.
having like you know going through so much, उसको pressure होता है to lose the weight, get back
And
into
mom
shape.
bod is an actual concept, because
Exactly.
you go through
Exactly.
physical body changes.
And dad bod is just laziness. Basically, it's just laziness.
I love how men get so many points for just being
And-
pure lazy.
Also, what you said, ठीक है, part of me is like, हाँ ठीक है, चलो, if आदमी are having it easy, okay, whatever, at least someone's happy. I get that part, but also के men are the ones who've created beauty standards for women, by the way, because everything that we see is from the male gaze. They've decided कि औरतों को ऐसा होना चाहिए और आदमियों को बस जैसे हैं वैसे होना चाहिए. So then I'm not happy.
I don't
you
necessarily agree with that men have created beauty standards for women. I just feel कि beauty standards का जो पूरा phenomena है ना, especially in South Asia and this side of the world, उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा contribution है हमारे गोरे काकों का.
Yeah.
And I think the entire thing that South Asia went through, and colonial hangover जिसे कहते हैं हम, you
Yeah,
know,
a little-
these days.
Should I give a history lesson?
Oh my God, Ayesha and her research, I'm loving it. Bring it on. Bring it
So
on.
a little history lesson. So I read that South Asia mein, of course, like we look different and all, but South Asia mein the standard of beauty wasn't just aesthetic. So beauty used to also include things like grace and poise and like how well read and well spoken you are, and वो जो एक concept नहीं होता था अदा का कि like अदा होती है,
Yeah.
like that was all a
नज़ाकत
part,
होती है.
नज़ाकत, अदा, like these were all a part of beauty. And like एक बंदा या एक बंदी खूबसूरत सोल से होते थे, and then aesthetics were also a part of it, but it wasn't the entire thing.
Yeah.
Then came in these white people and they were like कि हमें तो एक किस्म की खूबसूरती आती है, which is external, and Gora rang and all of that.
And
you
not
know
just
what?
Gora rang, I think colonization के अंदर it's so Gora rang is one thing, सही है, गोरे गोरे होते हैं.
Wow,
Fact.
deep.
गोरे गोरे होते हैं. And जिस तरह की bodies होती हैं, like of Western women, like they don't have those many curves, they're taller, and you know they have blonde hair. It's not just the गोरा रंग. अगर आप बात करें तो सारे जो beauty standards हैं हमारे, which is कि आपके बाल blonde होने चाहिए, everybody gets highlights, everybody gets lowlights, आपकी हाइट टॉल होनी चाहिए, दैट्स अ ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड कि ओ लड़की लंबी है, अमेजिंग रिश्ता पक्का. एंड ऑल्सो यू नो इफ अ गर्ल इज a certain body type which is non curvy, आजकल तो यही है ना कि मतलब स्लिम होनी चाहिए, स्मार्ट होनी चाहिए, पतली दुबली सी होनी चाहिए. इफ यू लुक एट इट, इट गोज वे बियॉन्ड कलर. It's in everything. It reflects in every single thing that comes from colonization.
And even like the kind of makeup that we do, by the way, like आजकल वो dewy skin का and वो like glowy skin makeup. And it's like, dude, हम लाहौर में रहते हैं. It's hot 11 months out of 12.
हम लाहौर में रहते हैं, घर में 6 दफा चाय बनती है, चाय के सामने खड़े हो, यही आपका ग्लो आएगा. उसकी भाप लग लग के ना इतना ही आएगा ग्लो.
चाहे ना भी हो, आप like bathroom में गए हो and you're wearing a foundation, you can't breathe. Like your skin can't breathe. Your makeup is melting. Like that dewy skin makeup is not happening when you're living in Pakistan.
I have to commission something. I feel brown people made dewy skin happen.
How?
That's because यहाँ पे इतनी गर्मी होती है, पसीना, dude. Pasina is the ultimate, you know, highlighter that we have.
That is true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
And you know that clean girl aesthetic? Clean girl aesthetic is like slick
Like
back.
Slick bun.
That's basically tail.
Oh my God.
नहीं करते.
Guys, ये लोग तेल लगा रहे हैं.
Yeah, but like they package it differently and stuff.
Oh my God.
But it's, you know, it's the same look, but it's like cool when white people do it.
ये गोरों ने जितना हमें बेवकूफ बनाया है ना, और हम बनते भी गए प्यार से.
And
Not
a point
nice.
on what you said, कि, you know, like looks also help you at work वगैरह. So I also read कि when the British people came here, they started hiring people जो ज़रा lighter skinned थे, because they also obviously projected the same thing कि जो lighter skinned लोग होते हैं वो superior होते हैं and all of that. So they started hiring people who were lighter skinned, and उससे हमारा जो complex था ना वो और like tenfold हो गया, because then.
But I am curious about one thing. If the beauty standards are about गोरी चमड़ी, then ये tall, dark, handsome boys का concept कहाँ से आया?
So apparently tall, dark and
Handsome. Handsome.
मेरा भी स्प्रे हो गया. So apparently tall, dark and handsome में dark doesn't mean like skin complexion. It means like a brooding personality.
Brooding personality?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Like attitude.
Tall, dark and handsome. You just say tall, rude and handsome. Why tall, dark and handsome?
Dark is
Read,
like, you know,
read between the
mysterious.
lines. Yeah.
Dark and mysterious.
Dark
like
and mysterious.
Apparently. I read this on the internet. I don't know ये कितना सच है.
Interesting. Interesting. Yeah. Nice.
So I had another like bada weird sa experience. So I went for this minor procedure at a hospital.
Yeah.
And they were prepping me, and the room that they were prepping me in.
Beauty procedure.
No, it was
Okay,
just like another surgical procedure. And the room that they were prepping me in, उसमें there was another auntie. And वो नहीं होता कि आप इस तरह करके उनको देख रहे होते हो, वो मुझे इस तरह करके देख रही है, and I'm wondering what is she here for? और वो भी ऐसे ही देख रही होंगी, what is she here for? Anyway, so थोड़ी देर बाद this doctor walks in, and I know the doctor because he is very famous like in the cosmetic world.
Ooh.
And he's famous because he's famous because his Instagram, by the way, guys, is like super weird. I showed you, remember? Anyway,
talk about it later.
So that doctor's pretty famous. He walks in, and I realized, oh shit, this lady is here for a cosmetic treatment. And that lady, who's like, by the way, like maybe 50s, like mid 50s type auntie थी, बड़ी सादी सीधी सी लग रही थी auntie. And the auntie is like, डॉक्टर साहब, लास्ट टाइम आपने जो मेरी फेस लिफ्ट की थी ना, उसमें ये देखिए ये मेरा ज़्यादा खिंच के है, मैं स्माइल नहीं कर सकती, अब आप ना बिल्कुल ऐसे कर देना. She's going like, बिल्कुल ऐसे खींचते ना आप ये skin. So I was shook. I was like, I never expected that people are getting full facelifts in Pakistan. She wasn't like a celebrity or anyone.
Yeah, so many people, and what I've noticed it कि इसके पहले हमारा source of information on beauty procedures and especially जो plastic surgeries होती हैं, that used to be Bollywood. Like, you know, Priyanka Chopra ने अपनी nose job करा ली, या Kareena Kapoor never got anything done, but like, you know, yeah, of course, you can tell by her face. It's too natural, guys. Like, you can tell.
Good, yeah, but that's good.
So yeah, that's good. But that used to be हमारी source of information ही होती थी procedures में. Then चलो हमारी वालियों ने भी, like a lot of our actresses and models started getting them done. But now people around me, मेरे आस-पास की लड़कियाँ, everybody is getting it done, and nothing against it. मतलब it's your face, whatever you want to do. But I'm just telling कि how common is it getting कि people around you, like people from my workplace are getting, like, I know a chick who's gotten a nose job and she looks amazing in it. Slay girl. And I also have like my friends who are getting like tiny baby Botox done here, or maybe a little Botox here. So it's becoming very common. And I don't know how I feel about it. Like,
yeah, me neither. I don't know. Because मेरा भी ये है कि sometimes I'm like, yeah, good for you. Like, एक जिंदगी है, ठीक है. I mean, you can get over your insecurities, but that takes time, so might as well get Botox. But then, you know, there are times when I'm like, acha, this is endless. I'll get one thing fixed and then another and then another. And why waste so much money? Like, why? I don't want to give other people that power.
Yeah,
and better love yourself, kar lo, bhai. It'll be more cost
love
efficient.
yourself is more, exactly, it's more economical, and like you can save a lot of money in us tarike se. You know, the queen of plastic surgeries, who do you think in this world?
Who is it?
It's Sri Devi.
For you?
It is. I heard
उस ज़माने में भी होती थी.
उस ज़माने में होती थी, bro. She is the one who introduced this entire plastic surgeries and all of these Botox and nose jobs to this side of the world.
Well, she did it well.
I've heard stories कि वो जाती थी and she used to,
bro,
like, it's, I'm a big, you know how much I'm into Bollywood, and I've heard all of these stories from like very reputable Bollywood resources that she used to go every week to her doctor and sit there every week and ask कि अच्छा मुझ कुछ और भी नया कर दो, ये भी कर दो, इसको और अच्छा कर दो, और वो कर दो. So yeah,
that's why her daughter's into it.
Her daughter's into it, and may I say, both did a phenomenal job. The mom gave the right advice in her will.
That would be me if I started.
That would be everybody, because see, ये beauty procedures की भी एक addiction है. Because अगर आप normally भी अपने पास अपना phone use कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, and आप अपने आप को एक filter में देखते हैं, and you put up a pic, और आप बहुत कैंडिडली कर रहे होते हैं, आप इतना सोच नहीं रहे होते हैं, लाइक ओ मेकअप नहीं किया हुआ या अच्छे नहीं लग रहे आज, तो हम एक फिल्टर लगा के पिक्चर लेते हैं. फिल्टर लगाई, पिक्चर ली, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेनेवर यू वुड ओपन योर कैमरा एंड उसमें फिल्टर नहीं होगा एंड आप अपने नॉर्मल कैमरे से ले रहे हो, यूड बी लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, आई एम सो अगली, या आई लुक सो बैड. सो एसेंशियली आपका जो एक्चुअल फेस है वो वही है जो नेचुरल कैमरा में नजर आ रहा है, बट नाउ यू वांट टू मैच दैट फिल्टर वाली पिक्चर इन रियल लाइफ. So you are actually pitting yourself against something which does not exist. That's not who you are. That's not your real face. But now you want to match that filter face that is
and
there.
It's like every time you get something done, it's a dopamine hit, which
it
gives
is.
you a high for like a day or two, and then uske baad you're like, I want that hit again. So then
exactly.
And then before you know it, you become cat lady or like some.
यार अब तो मैं Instagram खोलती हूँ, Ayesha. Whenever I open Instagram, I feel it now. Whether आप जितना कर लें, and I don't know if it's just something that I go through, but I just feel कि whenever I open Instagram now, I feel a little bit of insecurity creeping in. Like when I watch, because on Instagram at least, every single woman is gorgeous. Every single woman has a banging body. She's wearing the best clothes. They have the best skin. They have the best makeup on. So I'm just like, the standards are way too high now. So मैं हमेशा से उस तरह की बंदी हूँ. You know me that I love myself. I'm very confident like that. But even I feel being the most confident of people, I still, whenever I open that app, I constantly feel that I'm not up to the standard. I'm not up to the standard. I need to up my game. I need to do my skincare a certain way. I need to make sure every single spot on my face is hidden, which is just physically impossible.
Yeah, and abhi to we're like, you know, old enough to know better, and
yeah,
I can't imagine what the effect is on younger girls. And you know what? I don't know if you've seen the news, but Australia has banned social media for kids under 18.
How true is that news? Is it true?
It's true. It's true. They've banned it. And now like kids are trying to surpass like through VPNs and other things. But uska main purpose yahi tha कि kids are losing touch with reality because because of age of AI and all of that. They can't tell what's real and what's not. And they've started thinking कि ये पढ़ाई शढ़ाई तो गई भाड़ में हम we can create content online and we can do AI and make money.
But do you think banning stuff would work?
Yes.
Does it work? Because especially at a young age, जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, when you're 18, 19, it's a very rebellious kind of phase. So I think जितना आप उस चीज़ को I think educate करना ज़रूरी है कि how should you not buy into those beauty standards. But if you ban stuff, I just think that people will want to, like kids would want to know like more and more or are attracted towards that thing.
I think education will take a lot of time and it's just speed pe things are getting bad.
Yeah.
They don't have enough time to cover that.
Yeah.
So मैं तो कहती हूँ करो ban. I wish globally
Strict
under 18
mama.
के लिए हो जाए.
Yeah.
And I've actually also started limiting my social media time. Guys, I am addicted. I am addicted to Instagram. It got so bad. Like थोड़ा सा हम off topic जा रहे हैं, but I started feeling that I would just rot in bed the whole day scrolling, doing nothing. So then I've now put a limit on my Instagram. So that's 30 minutes in a day I've given myself कि मैं देख सकती हूँ Instagram. Then उसके बाद it like locks the app.
What do you watch the most on Instagram?
I watch लोगों की stories.
Because I know you don't watch the videos that I send you.
They're so bad.
I genuinely
They're so bad.
मैंने आयशा का algo खराब किया हुआ है.
That's true.
And I'm
Guys,
proud of it.
इतना मुझे पेंडू content भेजती
I
है
love
ये.
पेंडू content.
इतना पेंडू content भेजती है कि I'm like, please.
तो तुम रात में क्या स्क्रॉल करते हुए poised aunties की videos देखती हो? मैं तो I have watched brain rot.
No, but like at least funny तो होता है ना. Your stuff is just
My stuff is funny.
It is not funny. It's just straight up
Rude.
weird. ये पता नहीं किस deep dark hole of internet. Deep dark भी नहीं, पेंडू hole of
You
internet.
find a hole on the internet
Don't say
and you find a hole on the internet and you go to the deepest end of that hole and you'll find me there. Marium will be there with a torch looking for stuff.
पता है मैंने भी ऐसे मेकअप की काफ़ी चीज़ें like makeup and beauty things, like as a girl you always look up to your mom and when you say आप सीखते हो.
Yeah.
I remember खैर उस ज़माने में तो मेकअप ट्रेंड्स ही और होते थे. I remember like my mom teaching me कि बस अच्छा मेकअप इज जस्ट के फाउंडेशन थोप लो. एंड उस जमाने में फाउंडेशंस के भी वही शेड्स, लाइक 2 शेड्स होते थे आई थिंक, लाइट एंड वेरी लाइट.
लाइट एंड वेरी लाइट एंड इट यूज्ड टू बी ऑलवेज के सबसे लाइटेस्ट वाला दो. लाइक अब तो हम फिर भी जाके बोलते हैं ना कि हमारे अपना लाइक स्किन टोन का दें, बट एट दैट टाइम दैट वाज लाइक स्किन टोन का लिया तो मेकअप ही नहीं किया. तो लाइट वाला लेना पड़ता.
एंड लाइक यू वुड गो टू शादीज एंड यू वुड सी लाइक all these aunties इनके like बस ग्रे होते थे. सबके like बस ग्रे वो होते थे. Because उस जमाने में एटलीस्ट आई डोंट नो, मेरी अम्मी ने तो यही मुझे बताया था कि तो ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ मेकअप इज
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मेकअप फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड.
ओके.
एंड ब्यूटी ट्रेंड्स फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड.
हाँ, ये एक होता था कि
pick yours. Which one was your favorite in school time?
Yeah, I used to do like a lot of the black eye makeup thing. Like वो काजल का सीन होता था, बट मेरा काजल हमेशा लाइक मेरे यहाँ तक फैला होता था.
एंड ऑफ द डे स्कूल के अंदर हर कोई पैंडा लग रहा होता था बिकॉज सबके काजल यहाँ तक. मैं तो भर के लाइक और भरो. एंड एक तो काजल होता था एंड द पफ.
Oh my god.
The iconic school वाला puff जो कि हर लड़की, that was a competition कि किसका puff सबसे ऊंचा.
और मेरा कभी भी नहीं होता था guys. मेरा हमेशा इतना फुस होता था, कभी भी अच्छा नहीं होता था. But yeah, मतलब
you know those ones जो ऊपर करते थे फिर बीच में से split हो जाता था.
That was me.
It used to have no volume.
Yeah, that was me.
And then Puff went away and a completely, actually no, it was bangs first.
Yeah,
bangs came first and it was all about, you know, सबसे औखी मांग किसने लगा ली है.
I think मैं ही होती थी.
And then मांग भी चली गई, and then it was the puff.
Dude, I remember, so I used to have like वो obviously वाले bangs होते थे, but you know like those bangs look nice when you have थोड़ा सा बड़ा forehead.
Those bangs don't look nice on anyone.
No, they did look nice on some people.
The only person those bangs looked nice was Avril Lavigne.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody else.
Queen.
But
I remember एक दफा ना मैंने सोचा मैं अपने खुद bangs काटती हूँ, and they turned out really bad. And I remember like this, I don't want to call her the B word, but a B word girl came and like she made इतना ज़्यादा मजाक उड़ाया था उसने मेरे bangs का.
Sorry, man.
Yeah, उसके
Why
बाद
you
से
do
मैं
that, girl?
Yeah,
Don't
बस
do
हमारे
that.
स्कूल में ऐसे ही होता था.
What else? And I think it wasn't a beauty standard, but it was like a fashion statement.
What?
The Patiala shalwar.
हाँ.
The Patiala shalwar.
But I love Patiala shalwar.
I
as well.
loved. They were very hot.
Yeah,
I think they used
the
to
short shirt and
yeah. You used to, I think the
I
Patiala shalwar for me, the max out of beauty was a Patiala shalwar. That black kajal bhari हुई आँखें, straightened hair and poof and एक trend आता poof and आगे से bangs. That was also a thing.
That's true.
The mix of the two.
Yeah, but I'm sure कि like जब हम like 5 साल from now ये भी देखेंगे ना तो हम यही कहेंगे क्या हम पेंडू attire.
Actually, but I'm thinking about it. The kajal, the puff and the bangs were not the worst thing.
What?
That I've done to meet beauty standards.
What was the worst?
The worst thing I've done to meet beauty standards, and I'm not proud of it.
Spill it.
I have straightened my hair with an istri.
Girl, you know, I see the vision though.
अपने बाल बिस्तर पे रख के I was like, and
I get it.
That used to be my thing.
I haven't done it, but you know, I get.
I did
gotta
not
do what you gotta do.
I did not have a straightener, and everybody, हर कोई मेरे स्कूल में बाल जो है ना straighten करके आना शुरू हो जाता था, and I did not know कि लोग कैसे कर रहे हैं. So I just went one day to my sister, and she told me this hack, and every single time रोज सुबह उठ के मेरी अम्मी जो है ना किचन से आवाजें लगाती, नाश्ता कर लो बस आने वाली सुके, and मैं ना पीछे इस्त्री की टेबल पे.
Oh shit! Like imagine how bad that could turn out.
It could. I would have died. आप आराम से electrocute हो सकते हैं, but I'm sure a lot of girls can relate to it from that time.
I know girls who've done that. Gotta do what you gotta do, man.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Beauty hurts. Sis, I've literally heard people commenting on like freshly born babies के ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है, इसकी शक्ल ऐसी है, गोरा रंग है, मोटी नाक है. It's like, girl, give me a minute. I just came into this world.
यार इनटू द वर्ल्ड, एंड आते ही सबसे पहले मेरी दादी ने मुझे बताया था कि एक हैक होता था उस टाइम पे, आई डोंट नो अभी भी होता है या नहीं, कि बच्चे की नाक को ना पकड़ के दे यूज्ड टू जस्ट प्रेस इट लाइक फॉर डेज,
माथे को भी करते हैं
ताकि नाक खड़ी भी हो जाए. और ये भी होता था कि काजल भर भर के बच्चों की आंखों में लगाओ ताकि उसकी आंखें बड़ी हो जाएं. सो
तुमने कभी
I took it pretty seriously. I took it to my teens.
तो खैर बचपन से शुरू होता है ये, और फिर बस बुढ़ापे तक यही चलता रहता है कि
एंड आई थिंक ये इनसिक्योरिटीज जो है ना टाइम के साथ साथ आपके अंदर दे जस्ट खत्म नहीं, मुझे तो लग रहा है मेरी तुम में खत्म हो रही है ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स. मुझे तो लग रहा है कि मुझे दिन ब दिन दे आर गेटिंग इवन स्ट्रॉन्गर.
आई थिंक कि कम होती जाती हैं ओवर. आई थिंक ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड नहीं कम होता, बट लाइक आप थोड़े से strong होते जाते हैं.
Then why do you think women get procedures done after like 35-40?
Yeah, that's because of capitalism.
That's because of
Hollywood, capitalism, continuously telling women that they're not enough.
Yeah.
So उनको भी घेर
imagine the nightmare a beauty company will have. अगर एक दिन सारी औरतें उठें और वो कॉन्फिडेंट हों. Business is shut down.
Yeah, you know, I saw something recently and I was so disappointed. So, you know Ushna Shah, right?
Yeah, of course.
Like, and you've seen her content online.
Yeah, she's super hot.
She is super hot, super gorgeous. Love the content that she makes. She makes like, you know, pretty woke and political content also. And she's very like well-spoken, educated सी वो है. But I am so disappointed because I saw a billboard of her promoting like this super shady, like I think C-grade type brand tha koi, and she was promoting like this glutathione, pata nahi kuch is type ka word hota hai, which is a whitening chemical or something, and she was promoting that whitening product. And I was so disappointed in her. I don't
Damn.
know if it's legit. I don't know if they're just using her image, but it's a big billboard in like a main area.
But Ushna Shah, I really thought she was one of the woke ones,
Yeah,
and you know,
man.
somebody who would actually go and call this kind of stuff out.
Exactly.
Because if you speak about actresses, I think all of them at some point have promoted, like,
yeah, that's true, and that is so disappointing.
back then for work I used to work in sales and it was regarding cosmetics and stuff. तो मैं काफी ज़्यादा you know cosmetics की दुकानों वगैरह पे visit करती थी. So I used to see a lot of these like beauty standards come to life in real life. So for example एक बंदी आती है and she would come and वो दुकानदार को आके बोलती है कि भाई मेरे पास 3 दिन है, मेरे कजिन की शादी है, मुझे चिट्टा करते हैं. Like Asma doll, uncle version उनके पास आ रहे हैं कि जी मुझे चिट्टा कर दे. And I used to be like, I used to be in shock कि यार मजाक उड़ाएंगे या बोलेंगे कि ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकता है 3 दिन में कौन चिट्टा होता है. And that used to guy used to like pull up his best capsules and like and there's like a whole वो आपको एक पूरा formula बना के देते हैं.
कोई तेजाब ही होता
It's like देंगे 3-4 कैप्सूल्स देंगे किसी विटामिन बोल के कि ये फलाना विटामिन है और ये है वो है. एंड दे यूज्ड टू मेक दिस एंटायर पोटली कि आप ये डालें, अपनी क्रीम डालें, उसमें ये कैप्सूल खोल के डालें, ये डालें, वो डालें, एंड विद इन 3 days you will be fair. And you know what? They work. Yeah. But they work on cost of ruining your skin for the rest of your life.
And I'm sure like ये चीजें cancerous
it burns through it. It causes skin cancer. So एक 3 दिन की या मे बी 2 घंटे की 3 घंटे की शादी अटेंड करने के लिए you are literally risking having cancer on your skin. Not cool.
Can we please go back to Asma doll?
Ooh, love
बड़ी
it.
important तुमने बात की है, but I am fixated on Asma doll. I hate that lady with a passion. And उसकी इतनी ज़्यादा वीडियोस आने लग गई थी. Dude, because the concept just blows my mind.
Asma doll मुझे चिट्टा कर दी.
Yeah, and वो मतलब दिखाते हैं कि वो पहले एक डार्क स्किन लड़की आती है, वो उसको पता नहीं क्या क्या लगा के. I would not encourage you guys to go and watch the video, but I'll tell you कि क्या होता है. वो एक डार्क सी लड़की आती है and she says Asma doll मुझे चिट्टा कर दें, and Asma doll often then says something derogatory, something like कि हाँ आओ मैं तुम्हें साफ करूँ या something like that, and they put like heaps of like creams and stuff, and then they show कि वो कोई 10 skin shades lighter होगी, and हो सकता है होती भी हो, but I'm 100% sure कि पता नहीं क्या ही होता होगा उसके अंदर. और
एंड ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स तो अलग. भाई रेसिज्म भी हो रहा है अस्मा डॉल की वीडियोस में. ये लड़की हमारे पास अफ्रीका से आई है. मैं अफ्रीका से आई हूँ, मुझे चिट्टा कर दिया अस्मा डॉल. सो रेसिज्म, ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स, बॉडी इमेज इश्यूज सब कुछ हो रहा है अस्मा डॉल की वीडियोस में.
I don't want to see that.
I still watch her content to just see कि और कोई कितना गिर सकता है और कोई कितनी गंदी बात कर सकता है औरतों के बारे में.
And she
always surprises me. I always get stunned.
Cancelled. I have cancelled her in my life.
I think that's what she deserves.
So, Mariam, to conclude our conversation, if Desi beauty standards were a song, what would it be?
गोरे रंग का ज़माना कभी. I think that one. Yeah.
Which one? गा के तो सुनाए जरा.
I'm a terrible singer.
Ma'am, please.
यार. गोरे रंग का ज़माना कभी होगा न पुराना, तेरा भी रंग गोरा.
No way.
Yeah.
Cancel.
That's what it is going to be.
Yeah, we cancel
But what
it.
should it be?
What should it be? कुड़िये ने तेरे ब्राउन रंग ने
मुन्ने पतले सारे मेरे सामने.
Cue song.
I think with that we should just conclude today's episode.
The future is brown.
The future is brown, gals.
Love yourself.
Love everyone else.
No. Love yourself so you can...
In general.
Love yourself so you can love others and stop judging. We're not the ones to say stop judging people.
Bye.